Indoor plants look great with plenty of health benefits, like cleaning the air in your home and creating a sense of calm. A good potting mix, like Seasol Indoor Potting Mix, is crucial for success and will help plants flourish. It contains the finest ingredients, including Seasol GOLD, balanced nutrients and trace elements, and a soil wetting agent. It's perfect for new pot plants and for repotting established ones. Water in with Seasol to reduce transplant shock and aid with establishment. Seasol promotes strong root development and healthy growth and reduces the stresses of pot life, low light, heater, air conditioners, pests and diseases. Regular applications of PowerFeed Indoor and Potted Plants will get your plants singing. It's a ready-to-use liquid fertiliser and potting mix conditioner designed for indoor and potted plants. It boosts plant growth and vigour, flowering and fruiting, and contains liquid compost which improves soil health. Perfect.